You're not gonna make it, kid. One's backfire. 3 is gunplay.
Step out.
Put it down. Cop will come by, blow your head off.
Hands on your chest. Who are you?
My son, right now, I'm the butler. I'm the guy you wake up to one night. Maybe a year from now. Maybe 2. All you'll see is a pillow over your face and you'll hear a pop.
I fell off, the shit got me feeling the way. I'm ready to bet the house if niggas willing to play. And I'll raise you the beats, I think I'm dealer today. You probably shouldn't put up, but you ain't willing to pay. You ain't got enough bananas to keep my gorillas at bay. That's Chesapeake, that's Dakov, that's Mandalay. I'm molding niggas with these hands of clay. And not the movie, I'm talking about the boxer. I'm taking nerd rap and stuffing it back in the lockers. Blowing snot rockets on your sport coats and your Oxfords. Bitch, I had Klondikes on the mic since your mom drunk pints of white when she had nights as a dyke and Makai Fife was a clocker. You who? Them niggas didn't know, but you knew. Now these bullets dancing out the tutu. Don't try and fix your station. It's the same show, it's just a new view. I had to upgrade the cameras first. Stanley Burrell being employee of the month. Yeah, that hammer works. Damn it, jerk, and it hurts. Gone playing for dirt and a hearse. I'm one of the best niggas on planet Earth. It ain't bragging if you can back it up. Just like if I smack him up, it ain't wrong if he was acting tough. Hustlers, take these bars and bag them up and see if you don't triple your income on the get back. Yeah, I write raw, but I spit crack. Right cross, left jab, 2 different socks, them bitches mismatched. I'm eating way too good to have a 6-pack. It's like sending Muggsy to get Shaq. This, that, I'm John Claude with the kickback. Shit, my word heavy. You try and hold mine and your wrist snaps. I ain't really a fashion nigga, but I am in style, cause having bars is back in fashion, nigga. Jesus, I'm beating these prophets with a passion, nigga. It's like
Tell you more where I came from.
Yeah, I used to be one.
Nachts, wenn die Straßen plötzlich still sind, wenn die Stadt auf einmal schwarz